Take a ride in the 2015 Tiguan. With Volkswagen Tiguan, it's good to be turbo. Turbo with class, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: CD changer, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Every certified pre-owned Volkswagen comes with a 2-year or 24,000-mile bumper-to-bumper limited warranty, 24-hour roadside assistance, and peace of mind knowing that it passed a comprehensive 112-point inspection. That's 3 major reasons to go out and buy yourself a certified pre-owned Volkswagen. See your dealer for details.